Okay, so we have a college geometry problem here, and we have all this information over here on the left, which I have filled in on our diagram. And this problem actually has a lot of steps, so I'm going to try and get you most of the way there without actually solving the entire problem for you. But what it tells us is that ST is parallel to PQ is parallel to LM is parallel to CD, which means these sides are all in the same ratio to one another. So SP is to TQ as PL is to QM, and as LC is to MD. All right, and that's because all these four lines are parallel to one another. So what I did over here on the right is I just kind of wrote it out. So SP is to TQ, SP is to TQ, as LC is to MD. And then also PL is to QM, PL is to QM, as LC is to MD. All right, because they're all in the same ratio. So what I did was then, we actually know what SP and TQ are. So I filled in 4x minus 1 over x plus 5 is equal to LC over MD. Then I also know what PL to QM is. So I filled in x plus 6 over x minus 3 is equal to LC over MD. Now what I can do is, since I have LC is equal to MD and LC is equal to MD, I'll just do a substitution. So I'll set these two equal to one another because they're both equal to LC over MD. So this one comes down here, and I get 4x minus 1 over x plus 5 is equal to x plus 6 over x minus 3. So now I have these two proportions, these two ratios that are equal to one another. So how do we solve a proportion? Well, we cross multiply. All right, so I do x plus 5 times x plus 6 is equal to 4x minus 1 times x minus 3. All right, so I'm not going to go ahead and do that for you. I think you can do that for yourself, hopefully. And then once you have that, what you will do is you will then solve that quadratic equation, and it'll give you two values for x. Two values for x, one of which will be valid. Only one of them will be valid. So you take the valid one for x, and then you would plug it in to either one of these ratios. So x plus 6 over x minus 3, or 4x minus 1 over x plus 5. And that will give you one of these answers. And I'll give you a hint. It's not D, more information is needed to solve the problem, or F, none of the above. It's one of the actual, it's A, B, C, or E. All right, so hopefully that's enough hints for you to be able to figure this one out. If not, just comment on my video answer here, and then I can give you some more stuff if this isn't enough. All right, good luck.